shook it. Give a fuck about these haters, cause I know they just flexing. Niggas claim they get that cash, but they ass be naked. And all time it goes down, keep that thing on my waist. 6 shots up in that clip, 7 block, I'ma spray. Give a fuck about these niggas, if you stop, I'ma spray. Like 8 to the K, now your life just great. You gave a fuck about your niggas, ain't no fighting this fake. And I'ma tell you on my lead, niggas, tell you what's great. Y'all niggas like to hate, but you got your chest up. You see me with that 40 block and had the biggest stress up. From the neck up, your bitch dead, go get a checkup. Microphone check what? Boy, I just checked up. Bitch, Zilla hoe, so you know I go ham. Y'all niggas eggs in the pot, flame here, y'all scram. Give a damn about y'all. Well, they call me Zilla. Matter of fact, Unc here, boy, and that's my nigga. Shout out to my nigga Nell from the door with the skrilla. Put Zilla on the track, and now you got a gorilla, bitch.
Nephew, Drew Dog, another one of his damn beats. Drew Boy in the motherfucking house. Y'all niggas wonder why we doing the takeover. This is the takeover, nigga. True Drew is in the motherfucking building, nigga. I got my nigga Zilla, nigga. I got my nigga Spliz, nigga. I got Drew Boy, nigga. I got my nigga Main Event. I got my nigga Yates. I got my nigga Christina. I got fucking everybody. Wally Cat, Savage, what it all do, nigga? We fucks with them all, nigga. I done had them all in here. Jazz Star, all y'all, nigga. I love all y'all, nigga. Believe that. When I say True Drew the fam, I include all y'all as the motherfucking fam. Believe that shit. It's Uncle Zemo on this motherfucking bitch, man. With my motherfucking killer, motherfucking Zilla, and my motherfucking nephew, Drew Boy Big, nigga. And that's how we do it. Trademark.